Hi, you're welcome to today's lesson. The lesson for today is on alphabetize. But now let's take a look at the objectives. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to 1. Define the term alphabetize, 2. Identify how to write in alphabetical order. So let's go through the lesson as you remain focused. What does it mean to alphabetize? Do you have an idea what it means to alphabetize? Now let's look at it. To alphabetize means to write in alphabetical orders. I say it again. To alphabetize means to write in alphabetical orders. Now you by putting words in alphabetical orders, it means you arrange them just the way they ought to be from A to Z. And I believe you should know your alphabet. There are 26 alphabets in English. So we're going to be looking on how to arrange this alphabet in the right order. Do you know that the words you know and use daily all begins with an alphabet? Yes, it does. Now, let's begin with the basics. As you may know that everything in the world begins with an alphabet, ranging from your name and that of your friend's name, Anna and Cassie, the name of your dog Jackie, and lots more. All these are things you can use a word to describe. Ways to alphabetize words. There are several ways for us to alphabetize words. Now we're going to be looking at some of them. The first one here says alphabetize by using the first letter of the words. We have dog, bat, cat, and eagle. If you look at the example, the first letter of these words are different, so we're going to arrange them according to the order in our alphabet. So this is it. We have bat, which begins with B, is the first. Cat is the second because C comes after B. We have dog the next because D comes after C, and eagle is the last because E comes after D. Now number 2. If the first letter of the words are the same, then alphabetize the second letter. Now let's look at this. Arrange the following in alphabetical order. We have bag, brown, blue. These 3 words begins with the alphabet B. So we're going to start alphabetizing these words by looking at the words, the second letter of the words. The first one is going to be bag because A is the first alphabet. Then next, if we read the alphabet, L comes before R, so blue comes next and brown becomes the last. Okay, the next is if the first and second letter of the words are the same, then alphabetize using the third letter. So when you're given a set of words, if the first and the second letter of the words are the same, then you should use the third letter to arrange the words in alphabetical order. We have another example here. Arrange in alphabetical order: dress, drawer, draw, and drugs. So we can see that these 3 words have dr in it. So we'll begin by alphabetizing with the word third letter. So the first one that comes there is draw, draw, because A comes before E in dress and E comes before U. So in alphabetical order the word becomes draw, dress, and drugs. So this is where I end the lesson. Did you enjoy the lesson? Yes, I'm sure you did. Now, your assignments. You should answer the exercises on page 78 to 83 of your Language Smart textbook. Take a picture of it when you're done and upload it to the portal for word marking. In my next class, I'll be teaching on the topic pronouns, and please don't miss it because it's going to be interesting. Don't also forget to ask the questions by using the question and answer box.